What's going on, guys? This is Smash here and welcome back to another video. So last time I uploaded a video on how to use analog input and output pins of the Arduino Uno. So now today I will teach you how to use this, the digital input and output pins from 2 to 13, and let's get started. So the things needed will be a breadboard, 4 wires, a switch and a LED. So now let me show you the programming and let us connect the Arduino Uno board to our PC. So let me put this into the USB hub and the other side will go to your Arduino Uno. Now let us open the program which I have in the link in the description from where you can download, and let us check it out. Alright, so now we are on the software. Here is the program. First, before I explain, let me just upload it so that while I explain, everything's done. So here in void setup, pin mode 8 and 12 are set as output and input. So pin mode 8 is output and pin mode 12 is input. In void loop, there are two statements. One is if and the other one is also if. So what if statement does? If statement basically checks if this thing is true or false. So here, if digital read pin 12 is equal to low, here low means 0 and high means 5 volts. So if from the digital read of pin 12 gets 5 volts, then this over here should not be low, it will be high. Now this statement will check whether digital read 12 is low or no current is flowing to it. Then it will give a delay of 20 milliseconds and it will say that, oh, digital read 12 is low, so pin mode 8 will be also low, so LED won't blink or turn on. Whereas over here, if digital read 12 is high, so if 5 volts is applied to the pin 12, then it will give a delay of 20 milliseconds and turn on digital 8 to high. So the LED will turn on and again it will give a delay of 20 milliseconds. So now as you can see, the program has already been uploaded. So now let us head on to the Arduino Uno, do the connections, and then let us see the LED turn on. Now as you can see, I have already plugged in the button and the LED into the board. Just the connections which we have to do is connect the LED's positive terminal to pin 8 of the Arduino Uno board and connect the ground terminal to ground. Then connect one side of the button to pin 12, 9, 10, 11 and 12, whereas the other side to 5 volts. Now let me just make this proper. Okay. Now let me power the board and show you how the circuit works. Now whenever I press the button, the LED will turn on and turns off after some time. So if I do it again, as you can see, it turned on and then turns on. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to leave a like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.